Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to hide the mouse pointer cursor while typing Windows 10 PC. So guys, if you want to hide the mouse pointer cursor while typing in Windows 10 PC, so very easy. Firstly click on start. Now scroll down. After click on Windows System, click on Control Panel. After click on mouse, click on pointer option and after check this box, hide pointer while typing. After click on apply, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to hide mouse pointer cursor while typing in Windows 10 PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for latest update.